If we come here, we look together at this person. This person made more than 370 sales of a YouTube cover photo for $5, and this person also made more than 1,000 sales only from this service. So wait for the video with me. I will teach you together how to keep thumbnails for YouTube. What is a topic without any difficulty, all on your phone, and 2 characters will tell you a strategy that is stronger than anything else that will make you shop for yourself and know how to reach a lot more money than that while you are literally sitting at home. Hey, welcome guys, we are back again with you, Ahmed Al-Babli, from a channel that specializes in profit videos from the internet, street markets, and job opportunities. As we saw that together, God willing, you are thinking that you say the subject is difficult and that I do not have the capabilities and I do not have a device. I will let you do this subject only on a site, which means that you will enter the link that I will leave for you under the description box. From your mobile phone, tablet, or laptop, a computer, 2 letters, any device connected to the internet, you will be able to work with me the same strategy that I will work on, or the same image that I will work on with you, and through this video, and the image that I will make will be the video image. I mean, we will not invent you, you will work. I have this picture of the video, and you will see me doing it in every faction of your mobile phone. In addition, I will show you how to become a specialist and how to reach it. Why do you do the first sale in your life for $5 today? It is a specialization and a very important thing that you must focus on if you are a person who wants to earn money from the internet, because a lot of people have YouTube channels. Unfortunately, we do not have enough time to design an image for our videos, and we have a lot of preoccupations. Literally, we finish the video and we remain tired. It is very important that we are already doing this image, although it is the most important thing that we are supposed to focus on, because this is what brings views or posts to the video. As one of you, you start earning from the internet. You will know the size of the image on YouTube, which is like this. Also on the site that I will tell you today, the size will be ready, and literally everything is ready. You take a template and start to adjust it. You will not invent, you will do very simple things. Your support today is that you will simply work on service sites, such as the site that I reviewed with you at the beginning of the video, such as, for example, Fiverr or Fiverr. Or if this method is a very facsimile and mashed way for you, you can completely distance yourself from this topic. And it begins that you focus on what I will tell you about well, because this is something that there is no need to say to you much. But before I say it, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that the rest of my upcoming videos will come to you, and write a comment for me. There will be a competition too. We will choose one of the comments and we will win $5. I hope one of you will start doing these conditions and start leaving you whoever you choose from the comments. The way guys are, what is it? Simply is that you will go to all the channels that you see, for example, that their mini surahs are not that good, but it means a good channel and views. And you start to take or download how many surahs like this from him, and from the mini surah channel you will not be surprised and feel that you make a better surah. Indeed, you begin to modify the surah, and you begin to make a better surah than it, and you begin to send him the email of the owner of this channel, and attach to him the surah of the video, and tell him that you are the designer of a miniature surah, and that you see that this video did not take his right because of the surah, and that is why I went to adjust him like this. You give him more chance that he admires your enthusiasm and admires the work you did. And really, if your work is beautiful and seeing you, the surah is different and good. Indeed, he feels that it will bring him more views. He will begin to use your surah, and after that he will start asking you about your prices, if you would like to work with him, or if you might even. A week without making you the surah you want as a trial week without any problem. And later I estimate that I will get an amount from you, for example, and it will be $10 for each surah or $5 for each surah in the circle that he leaves, or even if he has someone to occupy with him and he begins to leave this limit later because you impressed him before. I have one of the strategies that are not diminished, It is considered in our field a very strong strategy, but of course you do not do this with one YouTuber. You will start to spread. I mean, you will start expanding the scope, and you will start to work on a lot of walls, or you will start to talk so much even if you are busy. With you, the people of the topic at first consider it a project later. God willing, our Lord will honor you very much, and you will begin to specialize in this field. You hold the largest number of channels for which you create thumbnails, and you will pray for me at that time and say, like a delay to the beginning, the teacher taught me something that benefited from it, and that's it, without much desire. You can also use the same method that I will do on such a field, not a condition of YouTube images, so you can use any literal need. Hey, welcome guys. Here I will leave it to you, as you see, like this. This is the application that we will work on, and there is a site that is also its mouth. I will leave you its link. If you are from the computer or from the tablet, here you start writing in the search thumbnail or YouTube thumbnail, which is the thumbnail of the pictures on YouTube. As you can see, it will shock you. A lot of things, as you can see, you will find in it what is written next to it, hand in hand. I mean paid, guys, or if you have an Arabic language, you will find it written paid. This is paid, of course. You have to subscribe, because here we will not work on the free one. I will start by staying here, looking around and seeing, for example, a picture I liked. I saw this picture. I found it very good, as you can see. I can remove this woman and replace my picture, as you see that. Take this word, leave it to the left, and take these squares, leave words on it like this, as you see. My comfort has become smaller and larger, and I adjust my world and answer this right, and this is the left. It's all, guys. I don't need Photoshop, I don't need courses or anything like you see. Look, I move with my hands, and this template is working. I mean, you are ready. Just modify the words here. I will write in Arabic, as you can see. By changing the language, I write, for example, here, instead of 7,000, I write 5,000. As you can see, I adjust here the number that I liked and start adding the things that suit me and the sizes that suit me in the direction that I like, as you can see. And there is a problem with the whole world. And I started to add some final touches and adjust the lighting on the image, and that's it, and that's it. The picture is finished, as you can see, a very, very professional picture. Just like that, guys, this was our video today. It was of our benefit that you benefited. I hope all the people who watched us, I hope you give us a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel at the top of the bell so that you can receive the rest of the videos. Don't forget, you will also find the link below in the description box. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.